Is it again? Golly. 22. It's in rough shape, boys. I'm gonna guess an old. Nope, don't load there. Load right there. I'm gonna get that thing cleaned up.
You can clean it up.
Huh?
If you can, I can.
It won't even move.
What brand is it?
I'm gonna say a Springfield or a Remington. I put my glasses on. It's probably right there on the barrel, but you probably never see it.
All covered up with rust.
Get right here in the light side. Boy, it's there. Springfield, how's that? I have one just about like it. No sugar cure. Oh, that's for meat, curing meat.
Throw it away.
Ain't good no more, but just
How do you know it's not good?
it's rock hard.
It don't break up?
Hell no.
It's a
Once
brick
it
now?
draws moisture, it don't do nothing.
Throw it away then. Sewing threads. For some reason this is really heavy.
Well, I would say it's that.
Broken?
Yeah, bro, it ain't no good, that's for sure.
But it's heavier than that.
Got chocolate candy bars in the bottom. Uh-oh. That's something for Phil. You can't never have too many of those.
Right.
And we found what was so heavy in there.
What was so
100 foot of cable cord.
When you've been doing it for a while, you start realizing there's certain kind of weight to things that, like a socket with a, there's a weight to the box that's different. So we found lots of pennies and coins. What is this? Rope light. Looks like an extension cord. Bread of some kind. I don't know what it is. I don't wear it. See, you're saving clamps to a antenna. Jewelry. Not nothing expensive. Yeah, I want that duffel bag.
Well, I figured I'd come to these little hands right quick. Check out this.
No military duffel bag.
Yeah. I wasn't gonna throw this away.
Move
I
on.
didn't use that right there.
Little wrench. Pry bar. Wire brush.
There you go.
Legos. Hot Wheels.
Cars. A BB gun.
A BB gun.
You don't want a sleeping bag, do you?
No, I don't want a sleeping bag. Not unless it's new. Yeah, I like that. Pry bar. Right away with a bunch of paperwork and
It'll
newspaper.
get wet out here.
Yeah, we gotta take it off.
No, with the duffel bag.
I know, we gotta take it all and move it. Some pruning shears. I think I use those. These are
Connections to like
water fills for It's just for a waterbed.
Water balloon.
Not that anybody's doing that anymore. All right, this is also some stuff we found. Little G.I. Joe. I forget his name. Brand new little set. And another brand new set. Just the first 5 minutes. So we're rolling. And I like this military duffel bag, so it's kind of cool.